In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up Google Tag Manager using two different methods, using Google Sitekit, which we have set up previously in the Microsoft Clarity lesson, or using the manual method by installing Google Tag Manager code into the site-wide header. We'll start off by going back to Google Tag Manager and creating a new account. Once we've created our account, we'll be shown this pop-up. We'll copy the code in the first block, go back to our WordPress, and paste this code into our site-wide header. For this example, I am using WPCode to insert any code snippets. The code that is being added is an HTML snippet, and if you scroll down, you'll see that site-wide header is already selected. Once we've inputted our code, we save the snippet and we toggle it on. After toggling it on, go back to Google Tag Manager, test your website by inputting your URL, and if you see a green check mark after you pressed the test button, you've connected your Google Tag Manager with your website properly. In this following section, we'll go to Tags and set up the connection between Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. Setting up this tag is what allows Google Tag Manager to share data through to Google Analytics 4. On screen, what I'm doing is grabbing the GA4 measurement ID and inputting it into a Google tag. What this allows Google Tag Manager to do is send page views and other automatically collected events, such as scrolls, session starts, over to Google Analytics 4. It also allows Google Tag Manager to send custom events like form submissions, button clicks from Google Tag Manager to Google Analytics 4. And it also loads Google Analytics 4 tracking script on every page. In this last section, to connect Google Tag Manager using Google Sitekit, you'll simply go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Google Sitekit, Settings, Connect More Services, and connect your Google Tag Manager account with Google Sitekit. Once you've complete your setup, everything should be connected and ready to go.